DELL, Diploma in English Language and Literature, the prominent faculty of Darul waqf Deoband, that is world-renowned Islamic seminary. It especially concentrates on Islamic education and is known for its distinguished faculties and academic environments. DELL aims at empowering its students with in-depth skills and deep knowledge for success in this globalized world, and grooms them to emerge as architects of tomorrow's advancement. This 2-year DELL course imparts students English education from speaking, essay writing to communication skills and translation abilities. Separate period for essay writing has been incorporated to hone the writing skill. Many wall magazines and digital magazines are published throughout the year. Special attention has been given to the textbooks for learning sentence structure, grammar, vocabularies, and language practice. Comparative religions have been allocated a special place to familiarize students with various international religions. Various methods are used to enrich English conversation and communication skills. Students are made proficient in speaking on various platforms, like Urdu to English interpretation.
ये दुनिया खालिक के कायनात की बेपनाह कुदरत और कारीगरी का मंजर है और इसमें कलम को बहुत मजबूत और ताकतवर हैसियत हासिल है। यहाँ तक कि खालिक के कायनात ने इसकी कसम कुरान मजीद में खाई है और सूरह कलम नाजिल करके इसकी अहमियत को बतलाया।
The world is the demonstration of the infinite powers and artistry of the creator of the universe. In it, the pen has extremely strong and powerful status, and even the creator of the universe has sworn by it in the Holy Quran and mentioned its significance in Surah Al-Qalam.
English to Arabic interpretation.
The Prime Minister of Republic India delivered a long and thoughtful speech which all the newspapers and channels published with full interest and keenness. All the citizens of the democratic country gathered around him to listen to his historical speech.
قدم رئيس الوزراء الهند الديمقراطية خطبة فكرية طويلة نشرها جميع الجرائد والقنوات بكل شوق ولهفة، واحتشد حوله جميع المواطنين للدولة الديمقراطية للاستماع إلى خطبته التاريخية.
Pair discussion.
I think father does not play a crucial role in bringing up their children. Instead, he does everything for his own benefits.
No, it is contrary to the fact. The fact is that father always render his selfless services for the welfare of his children.
And mock interviews.
Let me know what is your qualification.
I got graduated from Darul Deoband and I received English language from Darul of Deoband.
How many years of experience do you have?
Now I am fresher.
How can you help in the growth of my company?
I will use my skills and experience for the growth of company.
For the purpose of imparting the perfection and expertise in oratory skills, the department organizes yearly elocution competition, and all the contestants are rewarded with the valuable prizes according to their performances. As well as the digital classes are held 2 days in a week to empowering pronunciation and listening powers.
Adam alayhi salam. Anyone here whose name is Adam? Make a bit of noise.
Now we may have a quick glance on the books of our visionary teachers. The book in view is How to Learn English, authored by Maulana Jamshed Adil Qasmi, one of the lecturers of Darul waqf Deoband. The book titled Ideal English, authored by Maulana Sajjad Hussain Qasmi, one of the lecturers of Darul waqf Deoband. Mardane Sidqo Safa is a masterpiece written by Maulana Asjad Uqabi Qasmi, one of the lecturers of Darul waqf Deoband. This is Islamic Law of Imitation, translated by Maulana Anwar Aziz Usmani Qasmi, the researcher of Darul waqf Deoband. All these are our highly qualified and dedicated teachers. We are heavily indebted to them. Let's cast a glance at the significant achievements that reflect the students' hard work and dedication. Now, listen to the upcoming feedbacks in their own words.
When I had come here, I was quite blank about English language, and this course left an outstanding impression on my life and made me able to represent my religion and point of views globally. It would be quite injustice if I don't thank our teachers and madrasa authorities, whose dedication, motivation, and selfless services are the spirits of this department.
These 2 years that I spent in DELL course are very memorable for me. I will never forget it till the last breath of my life because this department made me capable to convey the true message of Islam throughout the world and remove all misconceptions about Islam. Thank you.
DELL, a truly wonderful experience. It has given me a wealth of knowledge and capabilities in English language. I have achieved so much in just 2 years. This course has really transformed my understanding of English language. So I give the special credit to our highly qualified teachers who spared no efforts to guide us to the way to success.
This DELL course provided us with a solid foundation of writing and speaking, offered a comprehensive approach to learn. The syllabus is well designed, covering essential things like grammar, vocabulary, and literature. Our beloved teachers are knowledgeable and supportive, ensuring that all students have opportunity to develop their skills. Overall, the course was valuable in enhancing my language proficiency and communication abilities. Thank you.
There is no iota of doubt that these 2 years that I spent in DELL department are greatly significant in my life. Without exaggeration, I can say that it played a crucial role in improvement of my creative writing skills, essay, composition, and translation from Arabic to English and English to Urdu, as well as the progress of my understanding ability. Thank you.
These 2 years proved in my life as morning rays. Earlier, I didn't know anything about English language, but now I learnt English language and I am capable of putting my ideas and thought into writing style and addressing the people in English language. And this happened only due to the constant attention of the teachers and the grace of the department. Thank you.
Honestly speaking, the time I spent in this wonderful environment of DELL has been truly unforgettable. I extend my sincere gratitude and thanks to our prestigious teachers whose dedication and compassion could never be forgotten. Thank you.
Students of DELL course are provided with all facilities like well-furnished classroom, newspapers, magazines, and all that, for the exclusive purpose of training the students for public speeches, madrasa halls, elocution competition, to develop oratory skill in the students.
All this was possible with the logistic support of Hazrat Maulana Dr. Muhammad Shakib Qasmi, the Director of Hujjatul Islam Academy and Deputy Vice Chancellor of Darul Uloom Waqf Deoband. Here we extend our heartfelt thanks to Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Sufyan Sahab Qasmi, the Vice Chancellor of Darul Uloom Waqf Deoband, for providing us with all the requisites for our education.